Before we wrap, one of the things Bryan and I like to do is share something we're utilizing in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
Mine, I've been seeing on TikTok. I saw it on TikTok for like 3-4 months, and then I stopped seeing it. It stopped becoming popular. But I caught it on a deal on Black Friday, and I bought it. It's a 3-in-1 charger for my, it's a magnetic charger for my iPhone, watch, and my AirPods. And this is great because it folds up really small. I think I got it for like 20 or 30 bucks. Now I see it's at 42, but whatever. I'm sure you can find them for 25 bucks. What I did is I just took the whole thing and I threw it in my toiletry bag. So whenever I go traveling, I'm going to have my toothbrush, my deodorant, and my charger. I never have to worry about grabbing the cables from my bedside table and all this sort of stuff. It's called, and the one I got was from UCOMX, UCOMX, the Nano 3-in-1 wireless charger. So that's what I got.
Awesome. The one that I'm going to share with you guys today, this is, I know our brokerage is using this, some other brokerages are as well, but it's a service that can allow you and those within your brokerage to share off-market opportunities with each other, which is very valuable if you're looking for ways to separate yourself from the competition. One of the best ways to do that is to share listings with potential buyers that your competition can't share with them. And so with clear cooperation, you're allowed to share stuff within your brokerage. And so having an easy way to share that is very valuable. So there's a company we've started using called Zenlist, Zenlist, that is effectively allowing us to operate a pocket listing IDX solution internally. So I know with EXP, we have a branded version of it called EXP Exclusives, which is really cool. Obviously, we love that corporate's behind it because we have 90-ish thousand agents. And the more of those 90,000 we get in there, the more inventory we have in there. Therefore, the more adoption we get, which then creates more inventory in there. So having the ability to share these pocket listings with each other is really freaking cool. Legally. Compliantly.
Yeah.
I don't think it's illegal to share.
I knew
it's compliant. Yeah. People always say this illegal thing, like, you can't do that. It's illegal. Like, wait, they're going to arrest me? Like if I share it? No, like you're not going to jail.
See, I think I'm going to jail for everything I do.
You do. Yes, you do. That's why you buy the same shoes every time. You don't want to get new shoes and go to jail because it's illegal. So yeah, just be careful of that. Awesome, guys. Well, hopefully we added some value for you today. Look forward to seeing you on the episode next week. I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
See you guys. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.